this is something I really wanted to show you guys, because this is something you might actually come across if you're doing brake change on any car. And I thought, you know what, let me share these tips with you, because man, it was painful. So basically, when I was trying to do this brake, this brake disc, so it won't come off. Small screw that goes on the disc, that won't come off. These are the small 2 tips that I want to show you in case if you guys are stuck, so it should help. So let me take this out. So this is how it should be basically. This, in most cases, if you have rounded up, it can be a pain in the ass. I got one of this drill, got a drill bit on it, a big fat one, and just kept drilling it just like this. Okay. As I was drilling like this, so I had to make sure that I do the other side as well, so anti-clockwise, so this thing can open. And then eventually I bloody got this thing out, which was proper pain in the ass. So that's one. And the next one is, once you get this out, sometimes this disc, it doesn't want to come out because there's rust that kind of builds up at the back. So that now there's few ways which you can actually take it out. One is hammer this out on the front of the disc, because it's not that you're going to use it, you're probably going to replace it. So hammer this out. If that works, it works. If it doesn't, there's another trick that kind of works for me. So I'll move the steering this way so you guys actually can see. Just get a bolt. Then what we're gonna do is put this here like this. What we have to make sure is this bolt is touching the disc. So that's what we got to make sure that it does. So as you can see, it's very close. And then we use a ratchet and basically tighten it up as much as we can, and tighten it up. And what you're gonna hear is a small pop. And once you hit the pop, you know it's gonna be your disc coming out, and that sound is probably one of the best sound you're probably gonna hear when you're doing a brake job. This is something I've actually come across with this problem while I was working in this car, which the small screw won't come off from the disc. And second thing is this brake disc was completely kind of seized. So yeah, so that's how you can actually get your brake disc off. Once you do your brake job, just also make sure to use a bit of copper grease on top of here, so next time when somebody do it, or maybe when you do it, the brake disc will come off nice and easy. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful, give it a like, comment, share, subscribe, all that thing, and I'll see you for next time. Goodbye.